Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. So, I've been expecting you. And I heard that you wanted to learn how to podcast in the 90.7 WXIN studio. Well, how about I show you? So the first step to doing your podcast is doing a radio show. But if you've gotten this far, we assume you already know that part. So let's move on to the next step. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have something to record your podcast to. We typically record to either SD cards or CF cards. Those cards can be found underneath this flap. Once you're done, you're going to want to remove the cards. You can transfer it to your computer or whatever device you want to put the file on. To remove the SD card, simply press down on it and remove it as so. To remove the CF card, simply press down the square button right to the right of it. Press it. Then once it stretches out, press it again. And then presto, out it comes. Now, before you want to do that, you're going to want to record, obviously. So first you're going to want to pick which of the two data storage devices you're going to want to record to. You select that by pressing the device button. After that, this display comes up. You can toggle between the two with this knob. And then once you make your selection, you simply press down on the knob. I've selected the SD card. Next, simply, you press record. Record standby comes up. You wait for that to turn to all zeros, as so. Then, whenever you're ready to start recording, you simply hit play, let it record. Once you've concluded your show or whatever you're trying to podcast, you just hit stop, wait for the information to write, make sure to wait until this screen goes away before you remove the card. Once that happens, you're in the clear. Then, as we talked about before, you simply remove the card, go get one of our handy CF or SD card ports to transfer it onto a computer, and there you go. You have your podcast ready to go. Now, wasn't that a great time? Now you can go spread your words or music with the entire world. If you have any other questions, don't be afraid to ask your WXIN e-board for any other questions pertaining to podcasting, the equipment in this studio, or life. I'll see you next time.